Jackson. Well, workplace bullying is gaining a lot of attention these days. Clinical psychologist Dr. Melissa Brown is here to talk about it. First of all, what is workplace bullying and what can it look like?
So workplace bullying is a little different than harassment, but it can look like intimidation or colleagues talking behind your back, starting rumors, or even your superiors asking you to do things like apologize or extra workloads and things that just add more stress to your plate or that are not being asked of their colleagues.
So has workplace bullying increased in recent years, or are we just taking more of a notice now?
It has increased in recent years across the world, actually, especially after the pandemic. We saw some workplace behaviors dissipate, but unfortunately, we've seen this workplace bullying increase and cause significant problems.
So what should we look out for?
Well, look out for, are you being unfairly treated? And how you do that is you compare your workload to someone of a similar position, and are you being asked to do things that other people are not being asked? Are you being micromanaged? Are people talking about you, starting rumors, preventing you from having promotions, and really just kind of focusing on what you physically can see?
Can people unintentionally become workplace bullies through like microaggressions or other behaviors?
It absolutely can happen. I think sometimes people forget that their words are powerful and they do have strong meanings, and perhaps they think that they're joking around or kidding, but if someone feels that what's being said to them is an aggression, then and they're being asked to stop and they don't, that is absolutely a form of bullying.
So now to victims, what steps can they take if they feel they are being bullied in the workplace?
I always encourage folks to document their experiences, who was around at the time, what witnesses were available, when did it happen. So keeping those logs and keeping that information. Of course, talking with an HR representative, and last resort, and no one wants to come to this because bullying is in and of itself is not illegal unless it constitutes harassment in the sense of physical harassment, then it becomes a legal issue. But so unfortunately, sometimes people leaving their positions and finding a new job that's a better fit for them.
What can bystanders do to improve the work environment and to help with this issue?
Well, first and foremost, don't participate in that, and be a leader in how you want to be treated yourself, and show people that that's not an acceptable way. And of course, step in if you see something happen. Step in and defend, and also report that what you have seen to a superior.
Thank you very much, Dr. Brown. Great tips.